Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to replace a Moen 1224 cartridge. Perfect if your faucet is leaking or the handle is hard to turn. Let's go over the tools and parts before we begin. A Moen 1224 replacement cartridge, a flathead screwdriver or something similarly thin, a rubber wrench, optional but handy to avoid scratches, silicone grease, optional but makes installation smoother. Step 1. Turn off water. First things first, shut off the water supply under the sink. Turn both the hot and cold valves clockwise until they're fully closed. Then, open the faucet to release any pressure and leftover water. Step 2. Remove handle. Now let's remove the handle. Use hand to pop off the decorative cap. Inside, you'll find a Phillips or Allen screw. Unscrew it and gently pull the handle off. Step 3. Remove retaining clip or nut. Under the handle, you'll either see a retaining clip or a brass retaining nut. Use pliers or a wrench to remove it. This holds a cartridge in place. Step 4. Remove old cartridge. Next, grab the stem of the old cartridge with pliers and pull it straight out. You might need to wiggle it a bit. Some of these can be stubborn if they're old. Step 5. Install new 1224 cartridge. Now grab your new Moen 1224 cartridge. Make sure it's lined up the same way as the old one. Push it in firmly until it's fully seated. Then reinstall the retaining clip or nut. Step 6. Reassemble faucet. Let's put the handle back on now. Tighten the screw. Snap the cap back in place. And you're almost done. Step 7. Turn on water and test. Time to turn the water supply back on slowly. Then test the faucet to make sure everything is working and there are no leaks. Smooth handle? No drips? Success. And that's it. You just replaced a Moen 1224 cartridge like a pro. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you have any questions. Your home for simple plumbing solutions. See you in the next one.